Hi everyone, my name is Joanne. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a review on a Highline Wigs human hair topper. Other people know them as Toppers by Sharon, and that's because the name of the lady who owns this business, her name is Sharon. I think that she's brilliant. I found out about the Sharon toppers when I was in a Facebook group, and I kept seeing these pictures of these women whose hair looked absolutely beautiful, so gorgeous that I was like, okay, who is this Sharon lady? I need to get in on this. I found out that she had a website, so I went on to highlinewigs.com and I saw her website, and then I was like, holy cow, these look great. And then I saw that she had an Instagram page, so I went over to Instagram, and her stories are always loaded with the new wigs and toppers that she's making. And I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get one of these. So like several months went by, I'm talking like 6 months, and I was like, I don't think I could ever afford one of these. But finally, I was able to get my hands on one, and I ordered a stock piece, and it was let me just show you what it is. So this is the topper. It's a 7x7 silk top, hand sewn. From here, this is all hand sewn, and then this is all silk. And if you look at the cap, it looks just like a human scalp. It is amazing. Look at that. So this is a stock piece. The only thing that I've done to it is just cut a little bit right here just to match the length of my own bangs, if you want to call these bangs. This is a custom clip that is just sewn on very lightly right here, but it's strong, and it just has, you know, a little stitching right here that is so easy. If you want to take this off, if you don't have enough hair up here, you can take it off. Now, I am wearing fibers in my hair right now, and I dyed my hair dark. Actually, I dyed it a little bit darker than what this is, but it's a good match. So let's put this on. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips, and it's got the little tag on it that says Highline Wigs, and then it has, this model is T1855, and this is, I think this is 22 inches long. It might be 24, but it's definitely longer than my bio hair. My hair is 20 inches. Here, let me show you. So this is all of my hair pulled forward. And here we go. I have not washed this yet. I really, honestly, I'm like, I don't want to wash it. I just know that whenever I wear this topper, I'm just going to make sure that my scalp is nice and clean. The only reason why I'm wearing fibers with this is for purposes of this video. I'm also going to be filming some other videos today. So I want to take my own hair and kind of bring it forward. Just a little. And then that way I can blend it with this piece. There, and then the combs come down right at my hairline because I have a small forehead. Look at that, and it fits so nice and snug. Okay, I think that looks good. You can see my thin hair, and then the topper itself, you cannot tell there's a topper there. It's gorgeous. All right, so let me go ahead and finish putting on the rest of the clips. You really don't need to put on all the clips, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it. But if you're like me, the top of your head is kind of sensitive. I think I got them all, did I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah. Okay. Let me bring the camera down just a little so you can see the hair at the bottom too. There. Hello, bombshell. Like, this is human hair and it is the silkiest, softest, and it smells amazing. Oh my goodness gracious, I love this topper. I have been wearing it for a while. I have tested it out. I have worn it up in a ponytail. I have worn it in the sides. I've put it up in a front poof. It's just phenomenal. If you haven't heard of Sharon toppers or Highline wigs, I suggest you go onto her site. It's www.highlinewigs.com. This is the box it came in. Instagram, Gmail, highlinewigs@gmail.com, Facebook group, Highline Wigs, and her website, www.highlinewigs.com. And then inside of the box comes with instructions on how to take care of it, how to wash it. Here's the care instructions. So it's on a nice thick piece of cardboard so you can keep this. And she has wonderful instructions on here. Brush it before and after wearing unless you curl it and put a hairspray over it to keep the curls. Then just brush the underneath so it doesn't become knotty. I like to suggest that once received to give it a trim. It's not necessary, but it will definitely help with the longevity of the hairpiece, as I send them uncut. So I did cut this, but I haven't cut the bottoms just yet. I did cut a little tiny bit right here, just to give it a little bit of a lift, because it was a little heavy in the front, and I may or may not cut more. It's like I don't want to. It's so gorgeous, I don't want to. Let me show you the back of it real quick. I'm sitting on top of my dining room table, guys. So here is where it stops, right there. And then here's my hair. I can wear this all different ways. I purposely got a smaller size cap because I wanted to be able to put it up, because where I live it's always hot and humid, and I need to have my hair off my face and a lot of times even off my neck. So like I can take my hair and pull it back, and it's so luxurious. Oh my gosh, like wow, you know, like that's every time I put this on, I say wow. I mean, really, this just speaks for itself. I don't even need to say anything. It just speaks for itself how gorgeous it is. Here's the scalp. This is a silk top. It's absolutely amazing. This color, I think it's a level 4. And she gives you 3 days to return. I think it's actually, she'll give you 4. She has a return policy written on here. She has a nice long letter written on here with all the instructions. Once you've cut anything or colored anything, she cannot accept it as a return. I think that is just very fair, but she gives you 4 days to return this piece if you don't like it. You know, so she wants you to wear it and play around with it and see how you like it, and then, you know, give it a couple of days, wear it around the house and see how you like it, and then you can return it if you need to. And she has a really fair exchange policy and return policy. I think that when you first put on a topper, if you've never worn a topper before, you're gonna be like, holy cow, this is a lot of hair, and you're not, you know, you're not gonna be used to it, but it's a really good change. And I just can't even, like, this is so gorgeous. I am extremely happy with this. I wish I would have taken the time to contact Sharon and ask for a coupon code for you guys. But please go to her website and check out what she has. Each piece is individual. She does blondes, she does curly hair, she does highlights, ombre, textured, anything that you want. She'll do a custom piece. It takes about 4 months for a custom piece to come in, but that's totally normal, and I wouldn't expect anything less or anything like shorter than that. But this is amazing work. She colors them herself, and yeah, just amazing. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this topper. I know I think it's absolutely stunning, and I'm gonna take extremely good care of this, and I hope to keep it for forever, to be honest. Like, I really want to keep this forever. So pretty. I cannot stop touching it. So yeah, there you go. I hope you enjoy this review. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel. This is my hair loss journey. I do mommy lifestyle videos, DIYs, grocery hauls, family vlogs, health and wellness, decluttering, organizing, you name it, I do it. And I am an open book. If you have questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below. If you want to ask me a more personal question, you can DM me on Instagram. My Instagram name is JoanneHopes01. Thanks a lot, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.